Somehow, he was able to push it out of the slippery situation all by himself. According to studies, less than 6% of dogs and cats that experience cardiopulmonary arrest survive by CPR. This is one lucky dog and a very brave hero.
Olha! Oh, caraca! Vai! Ele tá...
Blinking, he's still alive.
It's been
I mean, more than happy to. Go ahead.
The fox doesn't get the reputation for being clever for no reason. After noticing the rope hanging down the ditch it was stuck in, it quickly catches on to what's happening and takes advantage to be rescued.
The first thing we did was get the zip tie off of his neck. No animals were hurt during this process. I struggled at first getting it, but once I got the scissors at a safe angle, I was able to cut it pretty quickly. I can't stop thinking about how bad this could have been as he was growing. After I got the zip tie off, I gave him a soak to help clear his wound on his tail. Most likely, he dropped his tail out of stress and as a defense mechanism. He drank a ton of water in his bath. After his bath, I wrapped him up like E.T., so his name is E.T.
It's moments like these where we need to appreciate the fact that we humans are blessed with a keen sense of body coordination. Otherwise, this woman wouldn't have been able to save this dog out of this ditch.
Listo, ahora estás libre ya de comer. Listo.
Ah, chiquito.
Está hecho perro, ya está.
Eso. ¿Quién sabe cuánto tiempo llevaba así, eh? Mira. Ahora quítatelo de encima, Rodrigo, a ver.
To be able to wield and use an axe takes skill and precision, especially in this case. One wrong move and things could turn fatal. Luckily, this lumberjack was the right one for the job.
Quase saiu, hein? Tira esse tupetinho aí. Da orelha, aí sim. Certeza que você não vai querer. De tirar só uma cobra aí dentro.
In the midst of this global pandemic, face mask pollution has had a collateral damage effect on the environment. Please remember to dispose your masks responsibly to avoid having animals being tangled up like this.
Hombre caído, mire, loco. ¿Qué pasa? Ay, está fresquito el agua. Muy bonito. Uy.
A raging current rises in a flood and a dog trapped on a ledge is at risk of being swept away by the flow of water. A rescue team does the best they could to prevent the dog from being in danger. Before it could suffer from hypothermia, a dog trapped in a frozen lake was saved by a group of rescuers on a small kayak. This bull is a true champion for fighting through this mud. Mental strength is just as, if not more important than physical strength when it comes to fighting through the tough battles. On one hand, this owl has its wing caught on a wire tied to a tree, and on the other, the wire is keeping the owl raised above a flowing stream. A man sees this owl stuck in this predicament and chimes in to help. This guy didn't have to stop and row this washed up dolphin back into the sea. He could have just continued his day without any concern, but today he chooses to be a hero.
Save the dolphin.
This is a rescue of a baby elephant that was by itself on the other side of the river. The river's swollen with a lot of rain. Did these guys start on the other side, Cheryl?
No,
They
jumped
swim?
in from here.
I love these men.
These are our guides.
These are our guides.
Really?
Yeah, James.
James and Julian.
I don't know. Oh, he's giving him like a...
Quick! Hold on! Woo!
Oh my god.
That is a baby.
Let's bring it in camp.
Yeah, bring it in camp.
Oh my god. You guys are heroes! You guys are our heroes! Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, how can we help?